Step 1. Install the label. Snap the label in and lock it. Around the label. Put the label in label sensor. Release the traction mechanism. Put the label in. The label is passed under the peel-off plate and then put on from below. Then lock the traction mechanism. Click Manual Action Single Label. Then see if the label is parallel to the peeling board. If the label is long or short, adjust the label sensor. Loosen the screw of the label sensor. Labels are a little more. If the label is going to come out a little less, then loosen this screw. Labels can be extended by 2 毫米. Try your product. Loosen guiding mechanism. The product is parallel to the guide mechanism and can pass smoothly. This is the adjustment labeling head of the adjustment mechanism. The current peeling board is too high. It can be adjusted by the adjustment mechanism. Generally leave 2 毫米 between the peeling board and the product. If the product needs to stick a little inside, it can be adjusted through the adjustment mechanism on the outside. This is the pressed label. There is a screw at the back for tightness adjustment. This is a product sensor to detect the label of the product. This is the object sensor function, is to detect the product. This is a fiber optic amplifier. The red number is greater than the green number to indicate that an object can be detected. The leftmost light cannot flash. If it flashes, two labels will appear. Red numbers can be adjusted to 20 or 100. Click on Automatic Interface of Main Interface. Turn on Traction Mechanism off and Transmission Mechanism on. Then start. Now it is pasted like this. If it is to be pasted to the back, it is necessary to adjust the adjustment mechanism. Now it is pasted to this position, and the front and rear positions can be adjusted by labeling delay S. If the product is not forward enough, the sensor should be adjusted below. First, pause the machine. If it is to be attached to the front, the sensor should be adjusted to the front. Labeling delay S of character setting. If you input E second, the object sensor will detect the labeling for E second, and it must be separated by a long distance. Stop labeling delay S. The label sensor detects the gap between the labels and stops immediately. .1 second is how long the label is output. Test content filtering S. If the sensor detects the product, if the sensor is adjusted, there is no need for test content filtering. If the object sensor has two signals, two labels will be output. Automatic traction speed (HC) is the speed of the electric shock, the same as the belt conveyor.